上新的消息来关心，经过超过8点钟的谈判，乌克兰即马同意美国提出来讲停火要停30天的协议，所以美国嘛随意重新启动情报分享给乌克兰，甲对乌克兰的军事援助。不过，罗西亚对这部分目前也未回应。
So that's a total ceasefire. Ukraine has agreed to it, and hopefully Russia will agree to it. We're going to meet with them later on today and tomorrow, and hopefully we'll be able to wipe out a deal. But I think the ceasefire is very important.
Is Zelensky invited back to the White House?
Sure, absolutely.
美国总统川普伫咧北京接到来自沙特阿拉伯由美国代表团甲乌克兰高层会谈上新的消息。乌克兰总统泽伦斯基也感谢美国理解乌克兰的论述。
І на 30 днів спробувати встановити повне, переконати Росію зробити це.
华府提议支付甲莫斯科停火30天，并且同意恢复美国甲乌克兰的情报共享，要讨论人道救援甲停火期间交换战俘甲释放平民的问题。
We made an offer that the Ukrainians have accepted, which is to enter into a ceasefire and into immediate negotiations to end this conflict. We'll take this offer now to the Russians. And we hope that they'll say yes, that they'll say yes to peace. The ball is now in their court.
We are ready to peace.
We've gone from if the war is going to end to now how the war is going to end.
Russia needs to say very clearly, they want peace or not.
美国甲乌克兰的会谈结束，即马就看俄罗斯安怎回应。公司新闻黄文玲编译。